And another job is to hose down the bays when they're too muddy.
Oh wow.
G'day viewers, I'm Chris Atkins and welcome back to
Car Wash Chronicles.
As you can see, the weather sucks. And when the weather sucks, there's no customers. So, you know, I just wanted to film a video and show you guys a typical day at the car wash. It's winter time, so it's not going to be very busy. So this is the main man. He runs the car washes up here in Hesperia, Victorville. We got this one, the Bear Valley one, and the other one in Victorville. And he does an okay job. What do you think?
I think I do a great job, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Let's show you guys what we do on a typical day. I mean, like I said, it's rainy and it's not going to be busy at all, but we'll show you guys pretty much what it takes to run a car wash. And I haven't had any problems here recently, so there's really not much to show you. That's why I haven't done many videos, because there's no problems and it's kind of boring. So when we get here, we obviously have a look around, see if there's any down hoses, you know, anything from up tops, make sure they're all attached, push everything back in line so no cars catch on any hoses. And once everything looks pretty good, the first line of order is making the place look pretty. So we've got our trusty little sweeper, dustpan, close the door so no one goes in there. And we start by sweeping up. Usually the vacuum area is the most trashed area because, you know, people are doing the inside of their car, they're vacuuming the car, and there we go, sweep up any trash that is on the ground and make it look pretty, because it's like, you know, business 101. If you're a customer pulling into this car wash, how would you want it to look? You'd obviously want it nice and clean, you wouldn't want much trash around, and just make it look pretty, you know. And yes, I know these are starting to look pretty dirty, so I think it's time to almost paint these. So when things start looking a little rough, it's time to repaint them, make it look pretty again. And the best time to do it is in winter time when there's not many customers around, because when you paint and work, obviously you have to block it off so customers aren't in your way. And when there's no customers anyway, that's the best time to do it. Whereas summertime, when it's really busy and there's just customer after customer, then you don't want to block it off. So wintertime is the best time to do any renovations or painting work, and just get it done and make it look good. Obviously not too much trash because it's not that busy. Sometimes when I get here and there's trash everywhere, I don't mind it actually, because it means it was pretty busy. So not too bad, not too bad. See, we welded all these metal bars around the vacuum, because sometimes people will try and cut this because it's very thin. But not secure. Yeah, not anymore. And of course I always like to test it, so it's about to get real loud.
Very nice. Como ustedes pueden observar, le pusimos un plato de doble filo porque las personas vienen a tratar de abrir la aspiradora y pues es una seguridad más probable. Ahorita vamos a testear lo que es la aspiradora, a ver si está funcionando, y está funcionando muy bien. Wow.
Sí.
Muy bien, Chris. Muy buen trabajo, señor. Ahora nos dirigimos a la última. Si ustedes pueden observar, también en esta trataron de abrirla. Pues la aseguramos también con doble plato. Ahora creo que no se atreverían a abrirla. Como la hemos dejado de segura, no creo que la puedan tratar de abrir otra vez. La probamos otra vez y está funcionando. ¡Qué bueno! Muy buen trabajo, Chris.
What do you say?
Bueno, como ustedes pueden observar, ahorita nos vamos a ir a lo que es el túnel número...
Free money.
Dinero gratis, 5 centavos para mi colección. Ok, este es el túnel número 4 y 5. Vamos a tratar de mirar cuántas monedas hemos colectado esta semana. Wow, no es nada mal. Me parece que se mira muy bien la semana. Como ustedes pueden recordar, ha estado lloviendo toda la semana y pues el lavado de autos cuando pues el clima está lloviendo es muy difícil de tener ganancias así. Entonces tenemos que estar positivos todo el tiempo. Wow. Yeah, no bueno.
No bueno.
No bueno, Chris. Thank you. Yes. Como ustedes pueden observar, también la gente trata de abrir nuestra máquina de sodas. Y pues este es el túnel 1 y 2. Vamos a ver el túnel 1 y 2.
Yeah, $2.
Oh, wow. Este es el túnel 1 y 2. Como ustedes pueden observar, varía.
Heads or tails?
Tails.
Tails, you win.
Yeah.
You win nothing.
Como ustedes pueden observar, Chris está totalmente contento. Creo que ha sido una buena semana, a pesar que ha estado lloviendo toda esta semana.
Explain how much you love to clean up the mud.
Esta es la parte mala de estar en invierno o en la lluvia. Carros vienen y pues traen todo el lodo, y pues esto hay que básicamente en unos cuantos momentos les voy a demostrar cómo se hace el proceso para limpiar. Y pues Chris, vamos a mirar a contar lo que es las monedas.
I'm not going to show me counting the coins because it's not a how much did my car wash make video. It's just an everyday car wash thing. But I will count them, and it's pretty much a once a week job. Depends how busy you are.
Yes, sir.
Plus, we've got to keep these bad boys full because if these hoppers run out of tokens or quarters, whatever you use at your car wash, then people won't be able to exchange their notes for coins. So not your typical California weather day. It's probably 50 degrees here right now, which people back on the East Coast are probably laughing at us, wishing it was 50. This is the new bin that got delivered because homeless people keep breaking in here for some reason. Forget it. Here we go. Bend the knees. Very nice.
So you see, he's been lifting weights for over 10 years. He take that trash can like nothing. And that's it, pretty much it. Thank you, Chris. Thank you for your help.
$20 you owe me. And another job is to hose down the bays when they're too muddy. More of a winter issue. Alright, so let's go ahead and test everything. Let's start with the dirt remover. Pre-soak. There we go, nice thick foam. Cover the car. I'll check the soap brush. See how that comes out. 5, 6. There we go. Sometimes it takes a little longer when it's colder because it's the soap's a little thicker in the line. Come on now. Alright, I guess that's it for that. There we go, there's a tire cleaner coming out. People just scrub their tires. Alright, what do we got? Rinse. Let me try the high pressure soap. Plenty of soap, maybe too much. Maybe I have to turn that down a little bit. And then obviously spot free rinse. Obviously the wax and the air dryer.
Okay, what are we doing, Chris?
I'm gonna go check the vending machine and make sure there's no jams, make sure they're nice and full, even though I already know they're gonna be full.
Good luck with that.
Because it's been quiet this week.
Oh, I thought because I done it.
Oh no, you don't do much.
Ready? Wow! Wow!
Not bad.
Not bad.
Don't get my dirty fingers in there.
Good.
Put a couple in there. Just for fun. Good enough. I don't like them all the way full because if someone breaks in, then they're gonna take them.
So let me ask you a question, Chris. How much are you selling those for?
$1.
$1, right?
No jams, all good. And that's good enough. That'll last.
How much are those going for too? $1?
Oh, yeah, all the vending machines are $1.
Oh, okay. How about the sodas?
Sodas are $1.
Yeah. $1. There you go.
So let's check the black ice. But I think I'm gonna get all new vending machines soon. So they're good enough.
Very nice.
No jams. Straight in the pocket. Tough job.
Top jobs.
Uno más.
One more.
This is my least seller. I'm thinking of changing it to blackjack tire cleaner. So, what would you do? Would you keep glass cleaner or blackjack tire cleaner? See, only sold one, whereas blackjack, I feel like I would sell two. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up for our day at the car wash. Nothing crazy, no major problems, everything works, and it's a cold California 50-degree day. Thanks for watching the Car Wash Chronicles, and Edwin has a message for all of you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, what he said.